so subtracting across zeros. All right, so what you're going to do, and then you need to, this is basically you're regrouping twice. Make sure you write that down. You're regrouping twice. So this is not a simple one time. So first thing you guys need to do, step 1. Write your problem in expanded form. All right, so here's my problem. That's my problem, right? I've got to write it in expanded form. 400 plus 0 tens plus 5 minus 20 plus 6.
Zeros?
Zeros, yep, babe, zeros. All right, step 2. Ask yourself, is my bottom ones larger than my top ones? Is my bottom ones larger than my top ones? Okay. Not sure? Use dots. Who has more? So I've got 5 and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Who has more dots? All right. If the bottom number is bigger, we need to get some from the tens. All right? I owed some from last week. I forgot.
No, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Why didn't you put in that 15?
All right, so we have to grid some from the tens. All right, so
You don't count 6.
let's do this one.
No. don't count six.
Step 3.
You count more small. After 6 is what?
Can't borrow from the tens
No, listen.
because it's 0? We have to regroup twice. All right. So how far are you guys on copying this?
I'm at the blue one.
Yeah, same.
Okay, I'm gonna freeze it. There you go.
Sentence on the bottom.
Okay, so keep writing, guys.
You guys are catching. Use your hand or whatever. Slow you down. What paper do you want? No, you just stick with the one strategy. You did it. You could tell how you did it on how fast you're doing it, how many you cover. That's how you did it. Then you can make it make sense. Otherwise, it's going to confuse you more.
All right. How we doing, guys? Good. All done copying this, or when you get down to the we have to regroup twice, let me know.
Oh, I'm not there.
You're there? You're there? Great.
I'm not.
Okay.
This is about suppressing across zeros.
Yep, about subtracting across zeros. Where's your glasses at, kiddo?
Oh, they're in my jacket.
Put them on, please. All right. How are we doing? We ready to move on? So those of you who are ready, what I want you to do is go ahead and write the expanded form from step 1 next. And leave yourself 2 lines above it. Okay?
I can't move on if you don't push it. Done? Yeah, I can go. Whatever. You know, put your name on. Put your name
All right. How we doing? Kaipo? Close?
It's not wrong. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What is one of them here? Don't change it. I'm not too wrong with it. That's it.
It says if you can't borrow from the tens because it can't borrow from the tens because it's 0, IT, apostrophe S, we have to regroup twice. So guys, this means that you have to do something 2 times. You have to regroup twice. So we're gonna go over how to do that, and I'm gonna write down the steps, and I'm gonna do it in colors. You have to do what I ask you to do, because you didn't get a good grade on this test either, my friend. You got a 0 on it, so you need to listen to what I have to say. Do you understand? Because you can't write 100 tally marks on a page. It takes too long. All right. Or can I move on, Kaipo? All right. So,
Did you get another one?
yeah, or turn yours over.
Oh, get another one.
I can't turn mine over because my ink pens bleed through. All right, turn it over. If you don't have room, which I don't think you do, turn it over. 400 plus, same thing we wrote in step 1, expanded form. First step, A, borrow 100 from the hundreds and add it to the tens. So if I'm borrowing 100 from here, that leaves me only 300, and then now this gives me 100. All right? Okay, and then B. Borrow 10 from the tens and add it to the ones. That becomes 90, and this becomes 15. Did that make sense?
Yeah.
You're not borrowing 1, you're actually borrowing 100, which means, or you're regrouping it, but that means this now becomes 300. You have to take this away. You can't just jump. You this 100, so it's a 2-step process that you guys need to do. Now I can solve my problem, right? So I gave you guys all a subtraction chart. What is 15 minus 6? Do you guys know?
Yeah.
What is it?
10.
No.
It says 8 minus 10.
15 minus 6.
Oh, 9.
Thank you.
I thought you said 16 minus 6.
No, I didn't. All right, so this is 9. So step 4 is solve. So I'm going to rewrite it down here.
No, here. You're not finished yet. No, unless you go
So this is 9. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 7 is, or 9 minus 2 is, 9 minus 2, I'm solving, 7. So there's nothing in the hundreds here, so I bring down the 300. I add this all together, it's 379. So my answer is 379. Let me pull that up a little bit so you guys can see it. I really think I want to see you guys do it in expanded form. All right. We're going to probably continue doing this after the break.
When we come back from break, we're going to be January, right?
Mm-hmm.
Down. Not down to up. It's 2.
But I want you guys to do this. So today I expect 1 through 10 to be done in class. All right? Does everyone understand?
Yeah.
1 through 10 needs to be done in class.
You mean right here, stop it to 10.